Hi everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are here again to give you new episodes of our nursing procedures. My name is BabyNaa and we find ourselves at St. Carol's School of Nursing. We promise you nothing but the best, so stick and stay with us on our YouTube channel. And I have with me
Matilda Aquamensa.
And I'm Yaira. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.
In this episode, we're going to take you through how to make an admission bed. And to help me do that, I have my able nurses here. You need to arrange all your items into a hat table or a chair. But in this procedure, we are going to use a hat table. You arrange your items per how you use them. So we arrange the items per how we use them. So first we have our counterpane being at the bottom because that will be used lastly. Then we have our top sheets, our first back blanket, second back blanket, long Macintosh. After the long Macintosh, you have your pillowcase over there, then your Macintosh, the short one, then your drawer sheets and your bottom sheet, your pillowcase, your pillow and your hot water bottles. So these are the items needed to do an admission. We start with the bottom sheet first. So the right side is uppermost because that's where the patient will lie on. And we do envelope covers at this point. But make sure you check your bed to make sure your bed is in good structure. After checking your bed, you wash your hand or you use a hand sanitizer before you touch your bed sheets. If you watch our previous videos, you see how an envelope canal is being made. It's easy, the way you do it well, it comes out so well. Then your Macintosh, the short one, your Macintosh, the short one comes next. Because we do it 3 times. It's okay. No, it's not really yet first. So the assistant will tack the side first before the one doing the procedure will tack the side. You fold your Macintosh 3 times onto itself. And then your drawer sheets comes next. The next is your pillowcase. You fix it onto the pillow and put it beside the bed on a chair. Since it's an admission bed and you don't know the condition of the patient, you need not to put the pillow on the bed yet, but you put it beside the bed on a chair. So when the patient comes in and you know the condition and you see whether the patient really needs a pillow or not, then you can decide whether to put it there or not. So that's the essence of putting the pillow on a chair and not on the bed. That is for admission beds. So next is a long Macintosh. And then the first back blanket. Tuck it all around without envelope covers. The second bed blanket onto the bed, but before you make sure your first bed blanket, the uppermost part, the right side is at the top and the wrong side is at the bottom, because the patient is going to lie on the right side. With the second blanket, you make sure the right side is under it, because the right side is going to be on top of the patient and the wrong side will be outer. You fold the top side onto itself. Don't rush it. And the bottom side onto itself. You are crossing your hand. That's a stand and wait. And then your top sheet comes next. And same with the top sheet, the wrong side comes uppermost and the right part goes beneath it, because that's where it will touch the patient. So after the second blanket, the next one is your top sheet, and you make sure the wrong side is uppermost and the right side is beneath, because that's what is going to touch the patient. Then you fold the bottom side onto itself. You make sure it's at the same length with the second blanket. Next is the counterpane. And with the counterpane, you make sure the right side is at the top and the wrong side is at the bottom. Then you fold the bottom side onto itself. Straighten your side. So now you put the top sheet on it. I say, I hope the then you fold it like you could say 3 times. So it will be attacking inside you. So this is our admission bed, and as you can see, we have our hot water bottles in there, and the tip of it showing so that anybody that comes would notice that there is a hot water bottle in there. The hot water bottle is to keep the bed warm for the patients coming in. So that's the purpose of having a hot water bottle on your bed. Back to how the whole thing came out. You have your bottom sheets, your drawer Macintosh, your drawer sheet. Then you fix your pillowcase onto the pillow. You have your long Macintosh, your bath blankets, the first one. Then the second bath blanket, your top sheets, your counterpane. You fold it onto itself at the ends, and then you fold it 3 times this way. Then you have your water bottles underneath it, nicely laid for the incoming.